You don't need an expensive gemstone detector to find nature's hidden treasures, because nature itself already left behind clues, clear physical signs that tell you where gemstones lie buried, waiting to be uncovered. These clues are older than technology, older than maps. They're written in rock veins, mineral changes, soil color, and the texture beneath your feet. If you can read them, you can find gemstones, even without a single tool. This is Pro Gems, and today we'll uncover how to spot real gemstone locations using nothing but your eyes, your hands, and the wisdom of the earth itself. Every gemstone starts with a transformation, heat, pressure, and mineral fluids deep underground. When these forces meet, they create fractures, cracks, and veins, pathways through which mineral-rich fluids flow. Over millions of years, those veins harden and crystallize into gemstones. So when you're out searching, look first for veins, lines or streaks running across the host rock. They can appear white, gray, greenish, or sometimes metallic, depending on what minerals filled them. These veins often cut through ordinary rocks at odd angles. And that's your first sign. A single thin vein could lead to a pocket filled with crystals, sometimes invisible from the surface, but unmistakable once broken open. Gem-bearing zones often reveal themselves through sudden color changes in the soil or rock. You might walk over pale dust and then suddenly step onto reddish yellow or green-tinted ground. That color variation means chemical change, and chemical change means mineral activity. Gemstones form in hard, resistant rock. If you're searching near loose gravel or eroded hillsides, pick up the stones, the ones that feel heavier than they look. Those are worth inspecting. Why? Because heavier stones often have a higher mineral density, meaning they could carry crystal pockets inside. Tap the rock lightly against another. A dull thud often means ordinary stone, but a sharp glass-like sound could indicate crystal content inside. Even the surface texture matters. A rough, uneven, vein-filled surface often hides secrets that smooth, rounded stones never will. You don't need a metal detector to find veins. You just need patience. Look for long cracks in exposed rocks, cliffs, or dry stream beds. In nature, these cracks often fill with white quartz, calcite, or sometimes darker metallic minerals. Follow those veins carefully. They can lead to larger gem-bearing pockets. Even small surface veins can widen underground, forming vugs, hollow spaces where crystals grow freely. Breaking through one of these is like opening nature's vault. The colors inside can be unlike anything seen from the outside. And remember, gemstones often form together. If you find quartz or feldspar, stay alert. These can signal that other gemstones may lie nearby in the same host formation. Water is nature's silent prospector. Over time, it washes away lighter material and leaves behind heavier minerals. That's why you'll often find gem fragments in dry riverbeds, stream bends, or erosion channels after rainfall. Walk where the flow slows down, near bends or natural rock traps. There, heavier minerals like garnet, topaz, and tourmaline settle naturally. Even if you're far from a river, ancient water paths still exist. Look for smooth, rounded stones embedded in dirt, a clear sign that water once passed there, carrying minerals that may now rest below the surface. No detector can compete with water's precision. It does the sorting for you. While gemstones themselves aren't magnetic, their host rocks sometimes are. Carry a simple magnet. If it reacts strongly to a stone, it may mean iron or magnetite presence, which often accompanies mineralization zones. Another simple trick. Look for shimmer. Tiny metallic flecks or glints in the sunlight might look like ordinary mica or pyrite, but in gemstone areas, these reflect mineral-rich environments that encourage crystal formation. It's not about finding metal. It's about finding where the Earth's chemistry was active. Where two different rock types meet, gemstone formation often occurs. That's because hot fluids traveling through one rock react chemically when they hit another type. Walk along such boundaries and watch for veins, cracks, or mineral patches crossing between the two rock types. If the area feels geologically mixed, different colors, textures, or grain sizes, it's a promising sign. These natural intersections are where gemstone pockets love to form. Some of the richest gem-bearing rocks look completely ordinary on the outside. They may be gray, chalky, or even covered in mud. But when cracked open, vibrant crystals reveal themselves inside. To test such rocks safely, always wear goggles and gloves. Strike near any visible veins or discoloration lines, not the middle of the stone. Listen for a hollow sound or look for crystal edges where the rock splits. Many discoveries happen by breaking what everyone else walked past. That's the beauty of gemstone hunting. Patience and curiosity often reveal more than any machine could. The terrain itself tells a story. Gem-rich areas often show uneven ground, scattered boulders, and sudden rock changes. If you see angular stones mixed with fine soil, it usually means erosion from nearby crystal-bearing outcrops. Look for dry hillsides with exposed layers, places where wind and rain already peeled back the surface. These are windows into the Earth's hidden zones. And sometimes, one look beneath a loose rock can change everything. Remember, gemstone discovery isn't just luck, it's observation. Every crack, vein, and shift in texture is a message from underground. Even without a detector, a few simple tools make a big difference. A rock hammer for breaking samples carefully, a hand lens to inspect crystal structure and shine, a magnet for mineral indicators, and a water bottle. A quick splash of water can instantly reveal color and luster hidden under dust. That's how many experienced gem hunters confirm their finds. Not by detectors, but by trained observation. Finding gemstones naturally is not about digging blindly. It's about reading signs patiently, rock by rock, color by color. Each small find teaches you more about how nature hides its treasures. And over time, you'll develop an instinct, the ability to sense where gemstones may lie, even before you see them. That skill is worth more than any machine. It's the real gemstone detector, built through knowledge. You don't need advanced machines to find what the Earth already shows. Nature left behind every clue. Veins, color changes, weight, and texture. If you learn to read them, you'll never walk past a gemstone again. Gem hunting isn't just discovery, it's decoding Earth's memory, one rock at a time. This is Pro Gems, bringing you real gemstone knowledge, directly from the Earth's surface. Subscribe, stay curious, and remember, sometimes the best gemstone detector is your own awareness.